Hello. Hope you guys stay safe. Right? Oh, you're well prepared. I see that. Good. Might as well. Okay, people, me and Hubby here walking out the neighborhood. May show the shutters, babe. Wind is picking up now, people. We're riding out the hurricane here in Florida. Fort Lauderdale, Florida. That's what the hurricane is going on with right now. We're not getting much rain or wind right now, because it's supposed to make landfall 2 a.m. tonight or 2 a.m. tomorrow morning. So nothing much going on right now in the neighborhood. Can I show you, Hubby? See Hubby right there, people walking with me around the neighborhood. No work today. Okay, baby, wait for me now. They have on their shutters. The hurricane shutters. What happened to them there?
Majority of these houses around here, the windows are hurricane proof. That's the reason why.
Oh, that one is not right there. But there, that one is.
Let's go down to the turnpike so we can show the flow of traffic.
You sure you want to go to the turnpike in that vehicle?
No, we just walk down to the turnpike at the bridge right now.
Oh, right at the bridge, yes, sir. People, not much now going right now. Early on in the day now. So we can't go work tonight because all the bridges that I have to go across to go to work are closed. And when the bridges are closed, I can't go to work. And same thing with Hubby here. Hubby have to stay home today as well because of the hurricane.
I don't go to work today because I'm the boss.
Oh, please.
No, my company shut down for 2 days, so I'll be going back to work on Friday.
But I will be going back to work tomorrow night. Once this hurricane has passed, I go back to work tomorrow night. But this is a video of my neighborhood and what's going on.
We're going down to the turnpike so we can show you guys the flow of traffic, how traffic flowing in Fort Lauderdale.
Baby, I turnpike that there freeway.
It's a freeway, but it's the turnpike.
Oh. Yeah, that people, you know, long me live at this place, yeah. I may never know so the turnpike and the freeway are the same thing.
Freeway is all the highways without stop sign.
We can walk on this 4-car liquid.
Freeway have no stop sign.
So like how me take in 95 figure work, a freeway that too?
That is a freeway. 95 is a freeway.
Hear that, people?
Yeah.
Me used to just call it the highway or the high 95. I never know it's a freeway call too. But people will get prepared for the hurricane. This is a serious hurricane. They say the worst this in a 100 years. So this is no joke. So we hope everybody to take precaution. Everybody in Florida, they try to stay safe. I'm sure them is. Preparing themselves, battening up them windows, putting up them shutters, picking up all of them fruits off them tree, and all of that.
And people, if you notice, there's nobody on the streets. We're the only one out here on the streets right now.
There's nobody on the street.
Is inside.
Ain't nobody out on the street. But we are out here making a video to show you guys what's going on in the earlier part. So nothing much is happening right now. Hopefully, when something does start happening, we can keep you guys up to date.
And we are coming up to the turnpike right now, people. I just look and see the flow of traffic that's going on over there.
That's the turnpike over there.
We're going to go across the road right now and let you see closer what's going on.
Okay, people.
That's the turnpike.
That's the turnpike right there. So over there is busy right now. And that's the canal right there. Last time we got heavy rain, a hurricane, 2 years ago. This thing, guys, this canal filled up and came right over in the road and all the way into people's house. This canal, so we hope this time it won't happen to us because it almost came in our house the last time. It was just like 1 inch away from coming over in the living room.
Okay, people, I can feel the drizzling of the rain coming right now, so we might just have to turn around and go back to the house.
See the canal go right along there. And it came right over the water onto the road and into the neighborhood. So that's a turnpike right there, people, and the traffic is heavy right now.
Traffic is flowing smoother though, you know, we don't really have a lot of traffic.
No, there's no heavy build-up. But that's a turnpike right there, people. We live right next to it. Okay, people, hubby is ready to go back home. And the rain started drizzling down. Okay, people, bye till next time. We will try to keep you up to date as the hurricane builds up. Right now it's getting real windy.